I remember my grandpa telling me about the early days of Florida. On a swamp cracker 2 miles from Granny's Bay, coming up the way of the wilderness. No car, phone or electric light, yeah, just living life one day at a time. No newspaper, no war and no strife, just the elemental keys that provide for life. Florida, I know you're out there hiding from me. You get harder and harder to find, to understand. Every day she keeps slipping away. Florida, please don't fade on me now. Autumn sunset morning, skies ablaze. The oaks and the pines turn their palms up to the sun. The kind of beauty that hit down in your soul, still you're hell-bent to destroy it all. With concrete and steel we paint a road to hell on the land we kill. So take a good look and remember it now, 'cause one day you're gonna wake up and find it gone. Skyscrapers and superhighways are carved through the heart of Florida. Building subdivisions while the swamps are drained, making room for people and amusement parks. Now skyscrapers and superhighways are carved through the heart of Florida. Building subdivisions while the swamps are drained, making room for people and amusement parks. It's like watching someone you love die slow. Yeah, they're killing her one piece at a time.